Hello, today we're gonna be pulling up some metal, hoping for something good find, something like the last find, the phone, Soviet phone. Well, gonna be hoping something cool. Gonna see if we're gonna pull up something cool. Now we gotta start pulling it up. Don't feel anything still, and I feel something, hoping it's something good. No, it's just the magnet weight. Okay, we need now throw it not too far because it's doing it on the one side, not on the other hole. Hoping something cool, bike frame, but I don't think there's gonna be a bike frame. Well, already feeling something that it got up. Hoping it's something. Nothing. Good. I fucking feel something. Let's hope to get something. Pull up. If it's even strong enough. I'm feeling it it doesn't wanna go up. I can pull that. I can pull that up, but I don't know. It could be like stuck, really stuck. I don't know. It's like doesn't, and it popped up. Okay, let's try it again. Second try, third try, fourth try it. Okay, now we got it on. No, again. Okay, what is it there? It doesn't wanna get off the bottom. Okay, let's try to move it. Good tip. If you want to pull it up, wiggle it. Because it's gonna be way easier just pulling it as fast as you can. Because then you're gonna lose it. You could lose the metal and not find it again when you're throwing it in the magnet. Let's hope. Nope. And again. Okay. But I'm guessing it's something maybe good. I hating how it popped on. Okay, again it popped on. Let's try. I'm hitting something. And it popped on. But it was hard metal to pull. Like I felt the weight. So it's maybe something big or it's just in the ground. Really in. Or it could be some nonsense. Like metal wires. Hoping not. I don't want that. It's kind of, I don't understand. What could be there? I'm so interested. I want to pull it out. I'm not gonna stop until it's gonna be pulled out. And again, it popped out. Okay, let's get it out this time. And again. Like how many times did it already pop off? Like I think some good amount. Sand. What is it? Okay, I'm pulling it up. Finally! It's a bike frame! Dude! That's so cool! And how is it holding on that small part? Like, that's so cool! That, like, hurt my back so badly. Like, dude, this is a second bike frame from here. Almost just lost my finger between it. Looks like interested bike frame. Maybe not. It's probably not some brand, but it's rusted so badly. Let's clean it off a little. It looks like could have been of a key, because I had found like 2 keys here. So yeah, I guessing that's a key, broken off key. Okay, let's throw in another find. That was really good find. Still, even if it's rusted, it's a cool find. Like a bike frame, still really cool find. Sadly, it's rusted really bad. I wish it would be rusted. Maybe we're gonna find not a rusted one, and maybe we're gonna find again something cooler than a bike frame. I was thinking, like, okay, one bike frame, I don't think there is more, and another one. Like, I was hoping gonna get another one. So that's on my side, it's really good. We're gonna pull that up and throw it, because we have nothing right now. Yeah, some rocks. I don't know. No, maybe. But sometimes you do get like rocks. Understand how can like those rocks be magnetic? Okay, I'm feeling something. Maybe another bike frame would be cool. It doesn't want to go up, what I'm gonna tell you. Oh, I have something. It's probably like I don't know how to tell in English, like some useless metal. I just took it off and it broke. Like, dude. And this shit and more of those. It's annoying to take them off. Like, how are you supposed to take them off? Like, it's hard. What is it there? What I am interested to know. It doesn't want like go off. Like if I pull it too hard, it falls off. Like, which is sad. Like, don't fall off. Okay, let's throw it. Don't feel anything still. Hoping. Let's see. I'm feeling something. I think I'm gonna pull up something. And I guess not, probably. Let's try throwing again. And maybe something will be on here. Not really the best thing to throw that out for, because it's dragging, not like that, it's dragging like that. So yeah, I have it like that on because right now, because like it's a bigger chance for me to pull off some metal, because it's when pulling it up, like it's pulling it up, but when like that showed, the metal is easier, can get off, like. But if you have 360 metal, you don't need to worry about anything. And I have a sign, dude, that's so good. Like that's really good, but the sign has such weight, like my back is hurting from those signs. I don't know how many signs is here. Like I don't know how many had pulled up. 8, if I'm not wrong. Like yeah, I like pulling up signs. Like, but still, like, is it like some road sign down there? Like I don't understand that. Why is there so many roads? Well, let's throw in another throw. Okay, maybe we're gonna pull up against something. Maybe another sign. Because this place seems like it's never ending. And there is like signs and more and more. It's just never ending, what I understand. A lot of signs just. Already 2 good finds and big, which I like. To find big good finds. And I don't wanna touch this metal because like it's gonna be hard to take it off. Okay, feeling something. I just don't wanna pop it off. I'm gonna tell you. I think maybe I was wrong about feeling something. I have some small piece of metal. And I told you, rocks somehow get like on this magnet sometimes, which I don't understand. I would hate throwing on the magnet on those branches. Like I don't know what I get it off, probably yes. there's still a chance you couldn't get it off. Oh, I have something. And it probably popped off, I think. Yeah. Or not. Okay, we're gonna spin it until it can get into the spot it was. Like, I wanna know what is there. Like, when you hook it, like for me, when I hook it, I think like, what was it? What was that? And I want to find out. So gonna try to pull it up again. On kayak, it would be really good like that. You're in the kayak and you like pulling it out, which I feel is something is on magnet, probably a sign. A broken off sign. They think that this, which is no, not a sign, broken off sign, as I was thinking at the start. What is that? Oh, license plate! That's cool. And there's some mount, I think. That's really cool, fine. Let's clean that shit off. So dirty. Like, I'm gonna put it off. Like, I wanna clean it. So dirty. Like, it's not gonna go anywhere. I'm just gonna clean it off a little, not too fast. Okay, I think that should be enough. Hoping it's enough, and that was not a waste of time throwing it back in. Like, that's a cool find. Second license plate. What? Wait, is it in Lithuanian letters? Again, Russian letters.